Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp and email links. My WhatsApp and email links in my video description. If you want to complete my lab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access. We can do all online courses like math, statistics, accounting and finance, computer science, economics, MS Project, and many other courses. I will guarantee you are 19 or 95 plus grade in your assignments and your exams. Now let's start an assignment. Assignment name is EXP25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space. Name of assignment. This is the description of this video and this assignment, and we increase the size of project description. And so in this project you will use Word to prepare a document publicizing a series of space camp program designed for families and individuals. You will format the document as appropriate and include graphics to enhance document content. So we move to the steps of this assignment. Total steps of this assignment is 18. So we move to the first step of the assignment. We increase the size of this. Step 1 is start Word, download and open the file named EXP25 Word Chapter 2 Cumulative Assessment Space dot. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name and ensure that non-printing characters are displayed. So start Word, download, open the. So we open the file. This file has already downloaded. So step 1 is completed, has completed. So we move to the step number 2. Select underwater astronaut trainer in the first body paragraph and bold it. Select thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it. Select all text from Space Academy. The first heading on a line by itself on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2 and change the font to the Canberra with a font size of 14. Change the elements of selected text to justify. So the first level of this step is select underwater astronaut trainer in the first body paragraph and bold it. So and bold it. So we move to the file and we and bold it. Select thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it. Level 2 of this step, thermal design challenge in the first body paragraph and bold it. So we move to the file and thermal design challenge and bold it. And next level of this step, select all text from Space Academy heading on line by line on page 1 through pack your bags on page 2. Select all text from Space Academy. The first heading on line by itself on page 1 through pack your pegs on page 2. So we move to the file. Uh, select all text. So we select all text from Space Academy to all text. Um, then he says change the change the font of change the font of this font of the font to Cambria with a font size of 14, and change the font to Cambria with a font of 14. So we change the font Cambria and font size 14. So the level of this step is done. So we move to the file and next change the element of selected text to justify. This is a justify is a home tab in MS Word. This is a justifies option. This is a justifies option and we click on justify. So step number 2 has done. So we move to the next step. So we move to the step number 3 and we increase the size and color it. Step number 3 is select the bulleted activities in the Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1.15. Ensure that paragraph spacing before and after is 0 point for the selected paragraphs. Select the select the bulleted activity in the Space Academy section on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to Space Academy activities in the Space Academy. So we move to the file and we select the activities of Space Academy and Academy section on page 1 and adjust the line spacing to 1 point. So we adjust the line spacing. So we adjust the line spacing is 1.15. This is done. This is done. So we move to the ensure that paragraph spacing. Ensure that paragraph spacing before and after is 0 pts beat for the selected paragraph. So move to the file and ensure paragraph is 0 before 0 and after is 0. So click on OK and Step number 3 is has done. Now we move to the step number 4. Step number 4 is use format painter to the copy the format for bulleted items in the Space Academy section to bulleted item to Space Camp section and also in the Adult Space Academy section. So we move to the file and also select this text and format painter and copy items in the Space Academy section is to bulleted items in the Space Camp section and also in the Adult Space section. And also so this is done and step number 4 is also has done. So we move to the step number 5. So increase the text size. Step number 5 is select the final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the box area at the end of the document, beginning with sign up online and ending with pack your bags. Apply numbering. Selected numbers that are followed by a period. Decrease in the intent so that the items begin at the left margin. Select the final 3 paragraphs. Select the final 3 paragraphs. This is final 3 paragraphs that are shown above the box area at the end of the document, beginning with the sign up online and ending with the pack your bags. Apply numbering. Selected numbers that are followed by a period. Select the final 3 paragraphs. So we move to the file and also we do numbering. We do numbering and next is that decrease the intent so that the items begin at the left margin. The decrease intent option is on the home tab of the Word. So we go to the and okay, this step is done. The step number 5 has done. So we move to the step number 6. We increase the size and also so step number 6 is display the ruler. Click before the first blank paragraph above the bolded text at the end of the document. Press enter. Set a left tab at 1 and right tab at 6. Ensure that the right tab includes a dash leader option 3. Ensure that the font is display the ruler. Display the ruler. A ruler is on the view tab of the word view, and this is ruler. Display the ruler. And next, click before the first blank paragraph about the border text at the end of the document. Press enter. Set so we moved click before the first blank paragraph above the border text at the end of the document. Press enter. Now go to the home tab and of the paragraph, and click before the first blank paragraph above the border text at the end of the document. Press enter. So we move to the file. Tab. Click on tab, enter. Show that for 1 set and right is 6 set. Click OK. Ensure that the right tab includes a dash leader option 3. Ensure that the font is ensure that the font is 14 word. The font size and font type is on the home tab of the Word file. So we move to the Word file and also check the this and just Cambria and size 14. So step number 6 is also done. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp and email link. My WhatsApp number and email links are in the description of this video. And if you want to complete my lab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Access, you can connect with me, and we do all online courses, nursing, math, statistics, accounting, finance, some other courses, computer science, and MS project courses, some other courses, many other courses. So thank you.